Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Piyush Agrawal and I am back with another video for the orchestrator. So in the earlier videos, we have seen what are folders, how to create machines, how to connect them with the local system. And now the another important aspect is robots, which is necessary to start executing your processes through your orchestrator or to schedule them or to trigger them. So for this one, to create a robot, we need to select one of our folders. Like for classic one, I will just go to default. This is which is being used traditionally, and but now since modern folders are there, we do not generally use them. Though in real-time industry, you might still find the classic folders being used as I mentioned, modern folders have just come out in the market. That is in year 2021. So in classic folder, we just go to robot section and over here we click on add robot. There are two kind of robots, standard robot and floating robot. So floating robot is something which is not restricted to a particular machine, and standard robot is something which is restricted to a machine. So for now I am just creating a standard robot. Again, from the machines you can select your machine name. You can give any kind of name to your robot, like let me give it like Pyke. Any description to this robot which you want. The type, there are different types of robots you can create. So in this, basically, like these are different kinds of licenses that you provide to your robot. It could be an attended robot, it could be an unattended robot for testing purpose, for non-production. So the basically each kind of license has its kind of cost. So there is a basically a very broad domain for post licensing that you can find on UiPath's actual documentation. Now, for now, I would just use unattended type because it's more preferable to run robots through orchestrator in unattended mode. Now, next, there credential store. I'll select this orchestrator database, which is by default value. Then it asks for our username, domain or username. So in one of the earlier videos, as I have shown, you just go to CMD, type who am I, and you will find your username as this. Like for me, it is PIYUS. That is my username. So I can just write it over here. And then comes password. Password is basically your Windows password through which you try to log into your personal desktop. Then it's like credential type. So right now it is Windows credential what I'm using because I just use them to access my laptop. If you use another kind of security such as smart card, Encrypt key storage provider, Luna credential system, you can just use that kind of credential. Like for example, for smart card, you can just select credential type of smart card and provide your username and password. That's it. So once that is done, you just click on create, and there is no nothing too much required to enable in this settings. Okay, and just click on create. Since my bot is already ready, I will just click on cancel. Now once your robot is created, there is one last thing that you need to do to enable executing your robot from the orchestrator. That is to create an environment. Each robot runs in a particular environment in the classic folder. So let's cover that up in this video as well. For now, since I am using only one robot on my one single system, I have created a single environment. Environment is basically just like a virtual environment. You create a space for any number of robots to be executed in them. If I want, basically you can understand it as, if I want to group a sum of robots to be executed on a particular system, I can create an environment for them. So environment is just like, if we call how to develop an environment, just enter a name, give some description and create it. Then you can assign any robot to it. Like if we click on manage, you can just select or deselect your robot and click on update. That way your bot will be allocated to that environment. That's it guys for this video. For in the check out in the I will show in the next video basically that how you can execute any process from your orchestrator to your local machine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and you can always contact me over LinkedIn. My LinkedIn URL is always present in the description, or you can comment in the channel for any kind of thing, any use case if you want. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this on my channel. Bye guys.